Hold on, wait. Hey, I got one big motherfucker here coming.
You got a 9?
I got 9. Oh shit. Yeah. I got 9 and everything. I got a shotgun. Wow. That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
I got a bunch of them. One of them is going to pop right now real fast. I don't know which one is it, but... Oh, I told you. I got to throw an AK-47 in there, but there's going to be some more popping in there. I know I got a shotgun. I don't know why the shotgun didn't go off yet. Ooh. I got shotgun in there. Shotgun shell?
Yeah.
Even when they shoot, they don't shoot that far, you know?
No. Yeah, I shot the primer out of a shotgun shell with a pellet gun one time. It came back and hit me in the forehead.
What the fuck? Your father was smart. You know what he's talking about. The 22.
Yeah, the 22s aren't bad.
Yeah. 22, I think. You know what happens? Shotgun doesn't fucking burn. You okay? You ain't gonna come here, man. It ain't gonna go because even they fire, they won't go that far. But let me throw one AK-47.
Yeah, make sure you throw it in the hot pot.
Hey, I'm gonna throw a couple of AK-47. You know what? I'm gonna throw one fucking 308. Hey. Oh, it's gonna be making a lot of noise right now, buddy. Oh. You know, the metal gets hot, it blow up, you know. Watch now. Woo! Come on, one more. Oh, now you find the game now. Ooh! I kind of like this game. You better run. I put a bunch of them there. It's coming. 3. Come on, one more. I think there's one of them, 308. There you go. Get a couple more, I think, maybe.
Ooh, I heard that one.
Where the fuck you go on top of my car again? What's up with, you know, shotgun?
Yeah.
I think they don't blow up because, you know what, I think this thing burns, you know? It melts.
Yeah.
The fucking metal, I think it just gets hot, heat up, it blow up. It might be a couple more there. It's my luck. Hey, I hope the 308 doesn't blow up.
That other fire is doing pretty good.
Oh yeah. I want to show the other fire doing good right there.